How you doing? So I thought I'd do a video of the thumbnail I'm creating for a video of something. Anyhow, yeah, look what I'm doing. It's a bit mad, but hey, look at this. So I'm in the middle of setting out all of these plane irons. I've got a few and a couple of ones in good condition, which I thought I would mix in with the... It's all about grabbing the attention, and for me, these things really do. And I'll set some out and I'll chat to you while I'm doing it. So I'm trying to just lay them on without being too perfect, because they're not perfect. These irons are from an engineering company in Sedgley, and they made Sedgley planes. I was lucky enough to spot something on eBay a few years ago where the owner of the engineering company site where planes were made, it's now a MOT station, and he services cars and all sorts. And he was getting rid of the last few bits that were in the basement of the house, because it's an old building, it's an old place. So he was getting rid of the last few things, and the last few things included 100 and something plane irons. So yeah, I've got a few. That's a good one. Look, that's one of my, and that's part of the reason for doing this video. Look at that. That's a reflection of my window there. So yeah, you can see how good that one is, and that's what the video's about. So yeah, I saw this eBay thing for a job lot of a load of parts for Sedgley planes, and a few years ago I got it for £40, and it included this pretty huge haul of plane irons. They're in a funny state, to be honest. They've been cut out. There's some little bits left on some of them, look. They've been cut out. They've not been... Some have been ground and some have been heat, and I don't think any of them have been heat treated. So they would still need to be a proper plane iron. They would still need a bit of work to use them. But I thought it would make... I did think years ago it would make a great picture, which I still think it would. I've not cleaned any. This is the condition they were in. They're covered in like a maker's grease oil from an engineering company. It's pretty horrid, but they were downstairs in the house, in the cellar. And he said to me that the cellar hadn't got a proper brick floor or anything. It was just a dirt floor, which explains why these are all covered in dirt, and they're really not very nice. So yeah, this is the making of the thumbnail, and I thought I'd like to share it, because some people might ask, and I think to know that, I mean, I think the ideal look is that, and I think that shot is going to just look fantastic. I've got to put another one down here, haven't I? Another row. So that's all right. I think I've got enough. We'll see. Right, I've still got a few left. Those are beveled ones, and these are square-ended. So it sort of shows you the process, that once they'd cut them out, they then put the bevel on. Then I think they stamped them. Then I think they heat treated them. But this is it. This is my thumbnail shot. It's going to be something like you see there now. I think that's it. I don't know if to chop those ends off on the left or just show a bit of white either end. White either end looks good. That's it. That's my thumbnail. Isn't it cool? I've chucked a couple of nice ones in. And the main one is here. This is the main blade that I'll be showing. So I've got to somehow elevate that so that it's in front of there, and I don't know whether to hold it. Right, it's voiceover time now. So I set the shot up, and as you can see, I'm happy with the position. Top and bottom of the shot, right and left of the shot looks great. No white borders. I was after no white borders to it, so that it just looked like a repeat pattern that which could continue. And as you can see, there's a little bit of flickering coming on, and as I hold the blade up, this flickering's just more evident, and oh, it's just driving around the bend. So here we go, off I go, and I'm going to go and sort this out. Switch the light off. There you go. So that now all I've got is the natural light, because I'm by a window, and I'm trying to position the blade so that I'm getting a lot of reflection. Now focus is a problem here, so I'll put my hand behind it, try and get the focus right, try and get the reflection on the complete blade, and I'm saying in the background, which you probably can't hear, I'm saying now, and this is what I do. I set it up like this. This is a 4K shot, so I set it up really the highest resolution it will go to, so that I can screenshot the still that I want. So this stops me at taking 100 shots and choosing all of those 100. I can just go through it, and then when I've got a mental image of when I do the last one, that's usually the last shot. So at the end of this video, this clip now, which is about 2.5 minutes, you'll see the final shot. So yeah, I keep setting it up, moving it around. Focus, come on, focus. So you put your hand there, get the focus right, get the reflection right, move the hand away. And I thought that was pretty good. I like that. But I was conscious that I've got to get some writing around this. So as I was doing it, I was thinking, well, where's the writing going to go? And the writing was going to go on the left-hand side. And then I thought, you know what? I'm going to spoil this by putting writing on it. So I went for a shot just a little bit up from now, where I just thought, this is the shot. People will see it's a plane blade. They'll see a black background of plane blades and know that it's about plane blades. That's it. So it's very simple. It's the most basic, simple shot I've done, but it's taken me hours to do this. So a little bit of saturation adjustment and brightness, and this is the last shot. That's it.